for the most part, out here is cleaned up. We have so many things, you guys, that we are really excited to do back here. I have like a mile-long list of plans that I want to eventually get started on, hopefully next summer. But for now, here's the backyard. It's clean. The bounce house has been taken down and all the tables. We do still have to take down the tent over here. We have most of our chairs stacked back up. The tables are put away. All of the juice boxes are cleaned up. All right, so just like that, we are all back to normal. And here you guys can see what I was talking about in a couple videos back. All of the toys, the madness of the toys, but I wouldn't want it any other way. We have our elephant back here, our 2 Dockatots, and our dancing unicorn, and then this huge collection of fun toys that Annabelle loves. Here's our gate completely extended. You can see that again. The whole process of cleaning for the party, decorating for the party, cleaning up after the party, ton of work, but I can never imagine not doing all of this. I have a big family and a couple of really, really close friends, and being able to just throw big parties for my kiddos is something that I really enjoy. Birthdays are definitely something to celebrate, and so even though it's a lot of work, totally worth it. Annabelle got some really generous, awesome, amazing gifts. She was able to see all of our family and friends and just take lots of photos with everybody. So yeah, tons of work, totally worth it. Kitchen is looking much better than it was this morning. Thankfully, I have my candles burning again, and all is right in the world of our home again. And then the dining room is looking like someone lives here again. We have our coats back here. We have stuff to bring upstairs here. I didn't really get to show what this room looked like or me cleaning it up after the party, just because our family really helped clean this room the night of the party. So there wasn't too much for me to do this morning here other than take down the dessert table that was up there. But this room wasn't too difficult to get back to looking normal again. I had to bring some stuff down from the upstairs that I just kind of hid up there, such as that pile over there. That's kind of like my YouTube area where projects I have to do and things I have to review for you guys. The chalkboard has been erased. I'm probably going to be doing our fall or winter bucket list on there soon, and everything is just back to normal. Super sad that the party is over, but I'm glad that things are kind of gonna settle down here for a little bit at least, and I can kind of get back to my normal daily routines around here. Get back to my normal YouTube filming and uploading schedule. Definitely get back to figuring out what we're gonna do with this room and kind of planning this room out. I have some projects that I'm going to be working on upstairs that I'll be sharing with you guys. So now that everything is done for the party, I'm excited to get started with all of those new upcoming things that have kind of been filling my mind. So I'm excited to share with you guys a bunch of new content. I will take you upstairs real quick so you can kind of see the madness that happens up here when we have parties. Yeah, this table is usually completely cleared off. We have a blanket ladder, a light that I need to put out, stack of blankets, and then Aiden's toys. And then the kids' room, not too bad. All right, I just made the bed up here, but here's a little sneak peek. Don't mind all the mess, but here's a sneak peek. I'm going to be changing some things around up here. As you can probably tell, one of those things are going to be the lighting, and then we're gonna do a little furniture transformation up here. So I'm gonna sign off here and get started working on our upstairs area. So if you guys enjoyed the whole prep and cleaning and decorating and cleaning afterwards, please let me know, and I will definitely make sure to do more of these 3-part mini series for every party that we throw. We have Friendsgiving coming up soon, so let me know if you'd like to see that. So please make sure to check out the 2 previous videos that I did before this. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye!